Yeah, good day, guys. Welcome back to Diko Graphics Design Training. I'm really doing great today. So right now, I want us to create a church program flyer on our Android smartphone using our Pixellab. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So the first thing is to let's determine the size we want to use. So I want to use this size. That is 2560 by 2560. And this is called a square size. The height and the width are the same. After that, I will import the background which I want to use. So take it for instance, I'm bringing this one here. After selecting this, I will go to the shape. So I will crop out the shape just exactly like this, reduce the size a little bit. Then go to the gradient and give it this color. Reduce the size a little bit, then position it properly. After that has been done, then the next thing we need to do is to bring it all these pitch picture which I've already grabbed. Then I'll position it under that place, have it lock, then bring this one down a little bit to make it cool. After achieving that, then the next thing we need to do is to go and bring the logo. So I'm position this here, have it lock. What I'm going to put on the right of, then bringing this particular shape will be appreciated. I'll position that here. Now this is where the work begins. I'll go to the text area, then having youth. Okay, let's say youth. Then we are using Leaks pattern font. Increase the size very well to your taste. And I have a position around there. Then copy. Have what we call a camp. Reduce the size. The spacing. Then position that here or reduce the size a bit. So we're going to use that to chop this. So we can put black stroke. So when you use a black stroke, you will get this. Increase the size a bit. Then when you increase the size, we are going to separate it. So recover the auto shape. Okay, so after that, we go to this area where we have camp. Remove the stroke. Then close it. Now reposition it here. Okay. So after this, then the next thing we need to do is to go to the shape, crop the shape, and have a position here. Then we have another shape. Then we'll position that here. Then reduce this a little bit. Now give a color. You can adjust color to this as well. Do the same thing to this. So once this has been done, then the next thing is to crop another shape. Now change the color, position it here. So you can give it a white stroke. After that, have shape like this. Then use Archivo. So after that, we can copy this, put the dates, that is 29. Now position that here, increase the size a bit, then you pull for more info. So you are going to position that here, change the color to black. Okay, then after that we'll go to the text area where we'll put 29. To 30. Then you try to italize it, space it a bit, or better still, change the font to railway, the slant one. If it's not okay, you change it to outline. Then after that, we put in the address. Then we'll position that here. We'll bring this one here. Change the color. Then we'll position that. And the next thing is to put in the name of the church. Then you put presets, present, then that should be here. Change the color to white, and we're good to go. So this is just a tricks on how you can create a church program flyer on an Android smartphone using our Pixellab. So there's one thing I'm still thinking here. Let's head into gallery, then bring a shadow or gradient. So when you bring this, or reduce the size, then we're going to copy and do the same thing here. So we can change the font here. So while we increase it, then enable the padding. Very good. So now we're good to go. We can put in this address to bring cap while we small go and make sure it's located there. And this is just a simple tricks on how we can create a church program flyer on our Android smartphone. I believe we'll learn something from here. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you.